I'm David Shaw, and this is AI News. Do you have a problem you'd like to solve using AI? Intel is offering a new online course, AI from the Data Center to the Edge. Whether you're an experienced data scientist or new to the field, this course takes a hands-on approach to help you understand the data science workflow. In addition, it shows you how to use Intel's AI portfolio of processors and optimized software. The course uses an enterprise image classification problem and provides lectures for each stage in the process. It's accompanied by Jupyter notebooks that walk you through the implementation. Topics include an overview of Intel's AI portfolio with an emphasis on solving deep learning problems, dataset preparation for model consumption, including pre-processing and data augmentation techniques, decision metrics for choosing a framework and network, and how to train and deploy deep learning models using the Intel AI portfolio. By the end of the course, you'll have practical knowledge of preparing a dataset for model consumption, training a deep learning model using TensorFlow with Intel optimizations, and deploying on the CPU, integrated graphics, and Intel Neural Compute Stick using the Intel distribution of OpenVINO Toolkit. Check out the registration page to see the prerequisites and sign up today. And I'll see you next week. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe, and don't forget to leave us a comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see, and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows. See you next time.